Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 11th of June 2014. The trade of today is called 10 Core. Regards to the newsletter, the code is TRE, and the last traded price was R79.99. Action, traded from a high to a low, and the entry level is 79.63. Looking at this chart, dotted blue line must be the entry level. Stop loss is 83.59, that's a red line here, and the target will be 71.70. So the expectations to, if it breaks the dotted blue line here, it will go to the green line here, and that the low is 71.70. Still open trades, African Rainbow Minerals, Bidvest, Tiger Brands, Standard Bank, Mondi, and PSG itself. Looking at the top 40 shares, yesterday it came down a lot after the market was reacted on news from China, and as you can see, and in the European markets, as you can see, the blue line broke the 5-day moving average, broke the grey line 20-day moving average, and it actually came down. Looking at the industrials, that is the Dow Jones from the American market. Let's zoom in here. They actually test this green Bollinger Band level here, and what happened is they closed 70 points negative on Thursday evening, from a level of 16,985 points to 16,915 points. So they was actually trading close to the green line again here. Currently the futures are about 10-11 points positive, and we will need to go through the quarter today to see how the reaction will be further onto the market. At the stage they were about 190 points negative before our market closed at 5 o'clock yesterday, and they started to recover to almost 70 points negative. Looking at the J200, we did follow in this negative channel. At the stage our market was about 600 points down, and as you can see, it came down, broke the green line on the Bollinger Bands, and they recovered a bit for close off. Currently they're about 37 points positive as we sit here. For the market to open at 8:30. We'll keep a close eye on that movement as well, to see if there's not going to be a bit of a comeback after yesterday's big fall to the market itself. Let's go and look at Shoprite. Shoprite actually recovered the previous day, and that was on Wednesday. Awesome. Went up high to the 160 levels, 160.25 levels, and yesterday it lost a bit of momentum back, close to the 156 rand levels, and it actually closed here at 157.32. But there was a lot of buyers there, a bit of sellers here, and the target is still 161. Let's see where it will take us in the short term after it broke the green line on the bottom of the bands, and this band downward channel band here as well. Let's go and look at Truworths. Truworths reacted to the market's fall yesterday, also came a bit down. Most of your shares were actually down yesterday. Still trading a sideways pattern here between the green and the red at this time. Currently testing the green here on the Bollinger Bands. Need to see what the reaction will be for today. Again, Mr. Price still on the top there, very high at 187.25, testing the highs, still in the positive channel upwards. Didn't react a lot. Woolies also didn't react a lot on yesterday's movement. It came down to almost a level of 76 rand, but it closed here close to the level of 78.25, and as you can see, it's still above the green line here of the Bollinger Band, and it's testing this black line as support here this time as well. So it's got a lot of support at this time where it's trading at. Let's go to the banks. Barclays Bank In the cycle, low, high, low, high, low, high. Beautiful 3-time cycle that you see here. Currently testing the green line as well on the Bollinger Bands and the support here. And that level is 160 Rand, currently trading to 160.75. Need to see what direction we follow here from there on. Standard Bank, still trading the sideways pattern here. And as you can see right now, this trading levels is 142, 147, 142, 147. Trading at a level of 144.50. Most of the banks came down yesterday to the market's fall. Let's go look at MTN. MTN started to break down here, and as you can see, it's currently testing the 220 Rand level. Road level I spoke about of 222 Rand, currently trading at 220 Rand, and the next low support is about 219. At a stage yesterday, it was close to 219 as a low level. Let's see if this leg, shoulder, head, shoulder, leg will play out. If I put this on a weekly chart, I'm going to zoom out a bit, you can see it clearly. Leg, shoulder, head, shoulder. Let's see if we can break this 220, confirm breaking the 220 on this Bollinger Band on the week chart. Definitely downside will follow. Vodacom. Now Vodacom also came down yesterday, and as you can see, there's a bit of support here on about 127 Rand. Yesterday's low was also 127. Yes, about 4 cycles, 1, 2, 3, 4 cycles. On the low, it's a cycle again. If it wants to start to bounce low, low could be 127, and the next cycle could be back here to the 152 level, 133 level on these 4 cycles. Barloworld, looking at Barloworld, still trading between the purple and the green line on the Bollinger Bands, still testing the support of 100 Rand, currently trading at 99.86, very close to that zero line there at the bottom of this moment. Imperial, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, that's a cycle down, went further downwards here. As we said, next low of expectation, if it breaks 189, it's 184, and it seems to go into this downward channel. But any time this year needs to recover, it needs to break this green line on the Bollinger Bands. You see a bit of recovering happening, and you'll see the indicators are quite low as well, showing there could be a bit of a small rally happening very soon in the share. So I will keep a close eye just to confirm myself if there could be any upward movement happening very soon. Here from approximately about 186 back to above the levels to 194, 195, and confirming another cycle in this downward channel. Enjoy trading. Thank you, traders.